Hey, Nick Funditis here from Royal LePage Performance Realty. I'm here with my buyer specialist, Kareem Ali, and also my buddies Rocco and Yuki here, and we've got a really special place to show you today. Today's property is a beautiful little hobby farm just east of Orleans, in right near the village of Hammond, Ontario. That's about 20 minutes south of Rockland and only about 40 minutes from downtown.
It's move-in ready, it's in an awesome location, and you're not too far from anything, even though there's plenty of space for you to spread your wings over here.
So let's start with the house. This home was built in the 1970s, but as you look around, you can clearly see that it's been updated a great deal by then. For starters, it used to be on electric heat, but it's been updated with propane heat, which is much more efficient and much more cozy. It has air conditioning as well, and the property is on well and septic. It has a large double garage with high ceilings for storing your camping gear and your toys, and gives you a nice place to get your coveralls off if you've been working out in the stable. You can see that the main floor has been beautifully renovated, and it's completely open concept. The central range and hood fan is a beautiful touch, and it's perfect for a couple who likes to hang out while prepping a meal, setting up a buffet for holiday dinners, or keeping an eye on the kids while you're getting lunch ready. The main floor has 3 good-sized bedrooms or home offices. Bell services this road with high-speed internet, so it's possible to get great internet speeds working from home without the downsides that you find in some other rural communities. The master bedroom has custom cabinetry and a large master ensuite with a shower and a soaker tub.
The basement is warm and inviting. There's plenty of room for a rec area and a 4th bedroom. There's even a large cold storage area at the back of the basement in case you're making preserves or just have a large shop from Costco. Next, let's talk about the property itself. Guindon Farm is on a beautiful, flat patch of land that's right around 6 acres. The first third or so is a homestead with the house, big shop, stable, RV shed, and riding paddock. The back 2/3 is all forest and riding trails, and it has an electric fence all the way around so that your horses are safe to walk free without wandering off. There's a beautiful fenced in-ground pool that's perfect for cooling off this summer.
So I'm from Beacon Hill, I'm a suburbanite, so a workshop like this is something that I can only dream about at home. So this is a great big structure. I love it. You can't feel it from the video, but it is heated. It's just like the rest of the house. It has plumbing, it has electricity, and it's got room for an ATV, a snowmobile, your pressure washer, all your toys, and you can still get your projects done. And you know, if you need a little bit more recreation, we've actually got a television up on the wall there, and you know, you can have a pinball machine of your own out here in the shop as well. I love this space. So not today, but at some point this year, it is going to get hot, just like it does every year. And the current owners, actually one of the things that they added while they owned this home was this beautiful outdoor heated pool. And I'm in the gazebo, so even if there's a little bit of rain like we have today, you can get in and you can get out of the rain.
This is a horse farm, so of course it has a stable. It has a few sections to it, including a stable, a hayloft, and a chicken coop.
The last but not the least of the buildings here is this great big RV shed behind me. Now, the owners of this property love the open road and they have an awesome RV. And now, if you live here, you can have one of your own, or you can rent out the space to help a neighbor or a friend protect their RV from the elements.
If you'd like to learn more or see more videos, follow us on socials or find us at nickfernandez.ca.
So I just want to tell you what we found while we're out here in the stables, is there's actually just a new litter of kittens that was born here. And the owners here were telling me that, that this is actually a pretty common occurrence from the neighborhood cats. So you're always going to have some barn cats if you want to help keep the mice away. And your future mousers are down there in the hay right now. And they look like they're probably only a few days or a couple weeks old.